episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, IK, and right now I'm at the Sewell BMW dealership, and I'm just picking up one of my Mini Coopers. But we're gonna get straight into our hot topics, starting it off with Kanye West. So Kanye West, Kim Kardashian, and Pete, you know what, let me reframe that. Piss It Pete have all been in the news recently. Kanye with Chansey and Kim at the Met Gala looking like a dollar store version of Marilyn Monroe. You know, first off, she shouldn't have did that outfit. She should have done something similar to what she was doing before. But we're gonna move into our next. All we have to say is thumbs down. We're getting to our next hot topic with a quick shout out for Doctor Strange and Private Targets. So tonight, Dr. Ross and I are going to be watching Doctor Strange and the Multiverse of Madness at our Cinemark, and I've heard a lot of good things about the film so far, and I'm excited to see it. But guys, remember that Private Targets, the film with DK, we watched that recently, and we just bought multiple copies, a few for our friends and family, and multiple for us, so we can watch at home. Private Targets and Doctor Strange are two good films that you've got to see. Both the links are going to be down in the description. One for Private Targets if you want to purchase it, because it's available for purchase now. But these were all of our hot topics. We want to say to Cat Tattoo, make sure to visit Sherry. She's great with her piercings. Obviously, I'm not old enough for a piercing yet, but still. We'll see you guys on the next episode of Rose and Gold. We have places to be and things to do. So Dr. Ross and I just finished watching Doctor Strange and the Multiverse of Madness.
That's
We
right.
have the poster right behind us, as you can see. And I just want to say, the film for me as an innovation for the MCU, the Disney MCU, would be 11 out of 10. But I know where they got most of the different inspirations from. Now, if you don't want spoilers, skip ahead to this timestamp. But going into it, we all know they took a lot of inspiration from Invincible, the animated TV show, how they killed all the superheroes essentially.
Now that's true.
And even though they're trying to make the MCU more violent, really, we could all see this coming. Especially with the few theories saying it with Eternals was the first one.
So, to be completely honest, I thought the film was more of a Halloween special, and don't get me wrong, it was an amazing film, and it was an absolute blast to watch, but it didn't feel like your typical Marvel film. I mean, especially compared to the original Doctor Strange movie, releasing all the way back in 2016. For starters, America Chavez, she was unnecessary. Her whole point was that she could travel through the multiverse, but really, she was just a tag-along, and to be real with you, I thought that she was Dora. The role could have went to Doctor Strange, and it was confirmed in the film that one version of Doctor Strange did hop around the multiverse, but he was killed as soon as he was introduced. And this brings me to my second point. This is Doctor Strange and the Multiverse of Madness, not just the Multiverse of Madness. They should have used Doctor Strange in more strange ways, like having at least 50 different Doctor Stranges come to fight Wanda, aka Scarlet Witch, instead of it just being, give or take, 4 Doctor Stranges in the whole film, and only 2 of them were important. Really 1, the other one was dead the whole film, but still, I don't mean to be harsh, but Doctor Strange really is dead, and Sam Raimi killed him, literally and figuratively. And after thinking it over, I'd give the film a B or an 8 out of 10, because of all of its missed potential and failed/destroyed plot lines and characters. But still, Sam Raimi, I love your work on Spider-Man and Evil Dead. Let's get back in the video.
And we recommend that you watch it, but what are your thoughts on it, Dr. Ross?
I agree with you completely, IK. I thought it was a 10 out of 10. They definitely, it's really exciting how they brought in a lot of the older actors, the original actors for a lot of the other different characters, so that was fun to see too.
That's actually right. They brought in Patrick Stewart from the X-Men, the original Fantastic Four actor. They brought in
They even brought in a black Captain Marvel, but they all ended up dying, as well as Peggy Carter, if you know from the What If Marvel series. But we're gonna get straight into our She's Hot contest winner.
That's right.
Because our winner this week is Miss Elsa Host.
Congratulations, Miss Elsa.
Congratulations. And guys, she's a 10 out of 10, just like the movie. Yes, to give you a little bit more information, Miss Elsa Host is an Instagram model, and she is
As they all are.
That's right, she's a fine one at that. But these were all of our hot topics. We're gonna keep you guys posted, but make sure to stay tuned for the next episode of Rose Gold.
That's right.
Other than that, we'll see you on the next episode.